And welcome guys to another episode of Naija Infusions Kitchen. So today I'm preparing basic yam porridge. Very basic. There's no need for too many aerojars to go in, if you know what I'm saying. Yam, 600 grams, approximately 600 grams of yam, 2 bell peppers, onions, scotch bonnet, a tablespoon of stock seasoning, as well as a very huge heap spoon of crayfish. I've also got oil here, which is 1/4 cup. Let's get cracking. Blend the peppers, wash, chop them up, and we blend them. And once that goes in, I'm just gonna add half a cup of water. We're trying to limit the amount of water we use, okay? We pour the blend into a pot and just allow the whole mix to simmer. We need it to simmer for about 5 minutes, okay, or maybe less. It might not be up to 5 minutes, but we just want it to simmer before we add any other stuff. So a few minutes later, it's all simmered. We're gonna add some water to the pot. There's no simultaneous way of adding it. You can either add the water first, the oil, or the crayfish, or whatever. You're still going to end up adding them anyway, so add them all in. Once it goes all in, give it a good stir. Give it a good stir. Then what we do next is add in the yam. So we add the yams in. I want it to be very juicy, so I'm not adding, I'm making it very rich by adding a lot of sauce. If you don't want a lot of sauce, you can feel free to reduce it, but this is how I love mine, and this is how our clients here at Naija Infusion love their yam porridge, to be very saucy and very, very nice. So once that is done, what we do next is place the lid back on and let the whole thing cook. Quickly check on our yam porridge. I've heard a lot about people, and I've seen people, not just heard, I've seen people adding sugar to yam porridge. If you're one of them, please stop. Mostly if you're preparing it for a party, remember that some people there, they might have diabetes, and you don't want to add more to their sickness or to their illness, or to their health rather. So let's be very careful and wary when we're doing things like that. Now we're gonna leave it for a few more minutes so that the yam can start breaking up. See how juicy it is. And this has been prepared with no palm oil. It's just normal vegetable oil. I'm gonna check on our yam porridge. Oh my god, that looks so delicious. See how thick the sauce is, and as well it's come together. Remember, I only use just a tablespoon of stock seasoning. My husband loves his porridge to be very runny. I prefer to have my own yam intact, and that is the same way I prepare it for our clients here at Naija Infusions. Our website is Naija Infusions. We're on Twitter, Awesome Dishes, on Instagram, Awesome Dishes. We sell spices. We make our own delicious range of spices. We do delivery for clients, we do party food and all that. So when you order from us, you know you're getting quality and quantity at the same time. Oh my god, this yam porridge looks so beautiful. I'm not gonna break up all the yam because I love my yam. I want to eat yam, bite into yam, feel the yam in my mouth. This is so gorgeous. Remember, and we didn't use any sort of palm oil in this yam porridge. That is how beautiful it is. Let me give it a close-up. So that's a close-up of our yam porridge. It looks so delicious. So it's time to serve. And our yam porridge goes into our bowl. That is so yummy. Put that, and we put a bit of itty bitty on top. Then that looks so gorgeous. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you again on our next episode. Remember, our website is nigerinfusions.com. Feel free to go there, have a look, have a glance, and if you see anything you fancy there, do give us a call, send us an email, or just place your order online. And we'll definitely get back to you. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.